Welcome to our Math Review Part 5, a video tutorial for college entrance examinations. This video tutorial has 3 parts. On the first part, you will be answering 10 items, so be ready with your pen and paper. You have 15 seconds to answer each item. However, you may pause the video if you need more time and play it again when you are ready. On the second part, answers will be shown for you to check your answers. And on the last part, solutions to each item will be explained. Enjoy your review. Before we continue, please subscribe for more college entrance exams reviewer. Let's get ready. Question number 1. If R is the set with elements A, B, C, W, and S is the set with elements A, C, D, W, then what is R intersection S equal to? Go. Question number 2. How many subsets does the set with elements A, B, C have? Go. Number 3. For which value of x is the rational expression x minus 2 over x squared plus 3x plus 2 undefined? Go. Number 4. What is the slope of the line perpendicular to the line 3x plus 5y equals 7? Go. Question number 5. If z equals 30, then what is the value of z plus 3 squared times 5 minus z squared over 55 squared times 25? Go. Number 6. What is the simplified form of the complex fraction 1 minus 1 over a over 1 minus 1 over a squared? Go. Number 7. What is the value of 3 raised to negative 2 minus 4 raised to negative 2? Go. Next, number 8. What is the complete factorization of 5axz plus 5ayz minus 10bxz minus 10byz? Go. Next, number 9. What is the solution set for the equation square root of x plus 21 equals x plus 1? Go. Last number for this part, number 10. A car travels a scenic course at an average rate of 30 miles per hour and returns along the same route at an average rate of 60 miles per hour. What is the car's average speed for the trip? Go. This time, let us show the answers. Number 1, letter D. Number 2, D. Number 3, A. Number 4, D. Number 5, C. Number 6, D. Number 7, D. Number 8, A. Number 9, D. Number 10, A. Now let us show the solution to the 10 items. Number 1, if R is the set with elements A, B, C, W, and S is the set with elements A, C, D, W, then what is R intersection S equal to? By definition, we know that the intersection of two sets is a set whose elements are common to the two given sets. So if R is the set with elements A, B, C, W, and S is the set with elements A, C, D, W, by observation, what are the elements common to both sets? These are A, C, and W. Hence, R intersection S is a set with elements A, C, W. That is letter D. Number 2, how many subsets does the set A, B, C have? For a given set, the number of subsets is given by 2 raised to n, where n is the cardinality of the given set. So in the given set, we have 3 elements, hence the number of subset is given by 2 raised to 3. So there are 8 subsets in this given set. If you are asked, what are these subsets? These are the null set, because the empty set is a subset of every set. Then we have one element subset, set with element A, set with element B, and the set with element C. We also have 2 element subsets, set with elements A and B, a set with elements A and C, and the set with elements B and C. And the 8th one is the set itself, because every set is a subset of itself. Number 3, for which value of x is x minus 2 over x squared plus 3x plus 2 undefined? We know that a fraction or rational expression is undefined when the denominator is 0. So we will look for the values of x for which the denominator x squared plus 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. Let us extract the roots by factorization. So we have x plus 2 times x plus 1 equals 0. By zero factor law, we equate each factor to 0. We have x plus 2 equals 0 and x plus 1 equals 0. In the first factor, subtract 2 from both sides. We will get x equals negative 2. And in the other factor, subtract 1 from both sides. We have x equals negative 1. However, in our choices, it is negative 2 that is included. Therefore, this is our answer. And that is letter A. What is the slope of the line perpendicular to the line 3x plus 5y equals 7? If the line is given in standard form or general form, we can simply get the slope of the line using the formula m, the symbol for slope, is equal to negative of a over b. And in the line 3x plus 5y equals 7, which is written in standard form, we know that a is 3 and b is 5. So the slope of the line 3x plus 5y equals 7 is negative 3 over 5. The slope of two lines that are perpendicular to each other are negative reciprocal of each other. Hence, the line that is perpendicular to 3x plus 5y equals 7 has a slope that is the negative reciprocal of negative 3 over 5, and that is equal to 5/3. Letter D. Number 5, if z equals 30, then what is the value of z plus 3 squared times 5 minus z squared over 55 squared times 25? What we're going to do is to simply substitute 30 to all z in the expression. So we have 30 plus 3 squared times 5 minus 30 squared over 55 squared times 25. 30 plus 3 is 33, and 5 minus 30 is negative 25. 33 squared by rule of exponent, we can rewrite this as 11 squared times 3 squared. 55 squared, also by rule of exponent, we can rewrite this as 11 squared times 5 squared. From here, we can cancel some values as they equal to 1, like 11 squared over 11 squared is equal to 1. 5 squared is 25, so 5 squared times 25 is 25 squared. Then negative 25 squared is equal to 625. Also, 5 squared times 25 is equal to 625. That can be cancelled. So our final answer is 3 squared over 1 equal to 9. That is letter C. Number 6, what is the simplified form of the complex fraction 1 minus 1 over a over 1 minus 1 over a squared? Let us simplify the numerator first and then also the denominator. So in the numerator, we have a as the LCD times 1 is a minus 1. So that's a minus 1 over a. In the denominator, the LCD is a squared times 1, that is a squared minus 1. Next, for the division of rational expression, we copy the dividend. The operation becomes multiplication and we get the reciprocal of the divisor. And then simultaneously, let us factor a squared minus 1. That can be factored as a plus 1 times a minus 1, as it is a difference of two squares. Now let us do cancellation. A minus 1 over a minus 1 is 1. A squared over a is a. Hence, the final answer is a over a plus 1. That is letter D. Number 7, what is the value of 3 raised to negative 2 minus 4 raised to negative 2? So by rule of negative exponent, we have 3 raised to negative 2 is 1 over 3 squared, and 4 raised to negative 2 is 1 over 4 squared. Hence, we have 1 over 9 minus 1 over 16. Subtracting fractions with different denominators, let us get the LCD, that is 144. And how did we get 16 minus 9 in the numerator? That is from 144 divided by 9, 16 times 1. And also 144 divided by 16 equals 9 times 1. So for the final answer, we have 7 over 144. That is in letter B. Number 8, what is the complete factorization of 5axz plus 5ayz minus 10bxz minus 10byz. Our answer is by factoring by grouping. So let us group 5axz plus 5ayz as one group, and then negative 10bxz minus 10byz, that will be minus the quantity 10bxz plus 10byz. And then let us get the common monomial factor for each group. In the first group, we have 5az times the quantity x plus y. Then we have negative 10bz times the quantity x plus y. This time, x plus y is a common factor. So we will have 5az minus 10bz times x plus y. In the first factor, we still have common monomial factor, that is 5z. So we have 5z times a minus 2b times x plus y, and that is letter A. Number 9, what is the solution set for the equation square root of x plus 21 equals x plus 1? For our solution, let us square both sides of the given radical equations, so that we will have x plus 21 equals, on the right hand side, the square of the binomial x plus 1, that is x squared plus 2x plus 1. This is a quadratic equation, so let us equate this to 0, such that we will have x squared plus x, this is from 2x minus x, minus 20, that is from 1 minus 21. We will get the roots of this quadratic equation by factoring. So the factors of x squared plus x minus 20 is x plus 5 times x minus 4. Using the zero factor law, we equate both factor to 0, and we will have x plus 5 equals 0 and x minus 4 equals 0. In the first factor, subtracting 5 from both sides, we have x equals negative 5. On the other factor, add 4 to both sides, then x is equal to 4. So the solution to the quadratic equation is x equals negative 5 or x equals 4. For our radical equation, negative 5 is not a solution because it will make the right-hand side negative. There is no number such that the square root of a number is a negative. So, in our solution set, we will only have x is equal to 4. And that is letter D. Number 10, a car travels a scenic course at an average rate of 30 miles per hour and returns along the same route at an average rate of 60 miles per hour. What is the car's average speed for the trip? The formula for average speed is 2ab over a plus b, and this is applicable when one travels at speed a for half the distance and speed b for the other half of the distance. In this case, the average speed is the harmonic mean of the two speeds. So, let a be 30 miles per hour and b be 60 miles per hour. Hence, we have 2 times 30 times 60 divided by the sum 30 plus 60. And that is 3,600 divided by 90. Therefore, the car's average speed is 40 miles per hour. That is in letter A. That is all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more math review.